I'm setting up Vintage Christmas so people can get a good look at some really nice things from the 1800s to the 1700s. Be able to get more people back into the public library to help them out, to maybe even give them a benefactor to help add on to their library, as well as to make more room for me eventually where I can bring in some very finer stuff than what I am now. Got into it because I wanted to collect stuff that was in my family's trees and that from all the way through my family heritage. I found a string of C6 lights. They're candelabra. They were made from Germany. They're very rare. They're worth $890. I paid $50. I've been doing it collecting for 40 years. I have a pole barn full.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells